Yeah, bro. Okay, so about that video you played. Okay. In that key of F. Okay, so the first chord is La. Actually, I showed you La chord now. Abi, I show you La chord. La, mi, la, la, mi. Okay, that is your La chord. Go to your Va. Come to your Do. So. Okay, so you just one beat. It's all one touch. Okay, yo. Do Okay, so that is a chord progression. So if you want to improvise it more better, make it sounds good, you play something like you pull on from the Do to the T. You play just the Do, then pull on to the T. Okay, you harmonize it on the T. Okay. Then you slide from the Mi Va. No, you don't play. You can slide. Okay. Then you now play. It's not just you hammer on. You hammer on. That is where the hammer on comes in. What I said, hammer on. This is hammer on. When you play, you do as if you want to sustain that saw before you go to your La. Okay, that is hammer on. Okay. Okay. Then you now play Re Mi So. Then you play. From the Re you hammer on the Mi. So. Okay. Okay, that will sound more better and sounds more good. Okay, all right. Cheers to your new development.